Well, today in the studio we have a special guest to celebrate New Zealand Music Month, also Samoa Language Week about to kick off. Ozkey is made up of brothers Gabriel and AJ, who have made a name for themselves singing songs in both English and Samoan, and next week they'll be releasing their new single to mark Samoa Language Week as well. We welcome one half of the duo. Gabriel, thank you for joining us in the studio. Tala Falava.
Tala Falava Malama, thank you so much for having me.
Our pleasure, totally. You know what I love about you guys, Ozkey, is how proud you are in representing your culture to the world.
Of course, we have to be proud. If anything, we're so honoured to be able to go on stage and represent ourselves as Samoans and Islanders in general. So it's exciting. It's awesome.
Tell us a little bit about Ozkey and who you are and your sound. Ozkey, I can see there's an influence there of Australia, New Zealand.
Yes. So we were raised in Australia, obviously born here in New Zealand, and we kind of formed up Ozkey. That's where the name came from. And our dad actually created that name for us. So yeah, it's different. It's different. We've kind of been surrounded by music our entire lives as well. So it's been a real blast. It's been a real journey for us.
Who are your major influences when you think of those old school Samoan bands and stars?
Oh, there's so many. I think one that pops to mind for me is Nino TFO. Yes. They've always kind of stood out. They've had so many hits and beautiful songs. And,
absolutely.
And I just absolutely love their music.
Is there a particular song that comes to mind, or a chorus?
I feel like you're putting me on the spot.
I am. I'm wanting to hear the Samoan language.
Of course, like you have songs like O Mafofonga, they with such beautiful lyrics. So they've got like O Mafofonga, e puna mai pea, ia so uma. So yeah,
beautiful.
Things like that.
I love
you
those.
Want to sing it as well?
No, I want you to keep going.
Oh, maybe next time.
And you've got this new single releasing next week.
Yes, we do. It's called Malia. It's it's such a special song to us. With us going through a whole rebranding and kind of recreating our sound.
All in Samoan.
All in Samoan and English as well. This particular release is called Malia. It's such a close project, and it's so it holds a special place in our hearts.
I'm looking forward to it.
Yeah.
Tell me, like, we've had COVID, the pandemic. How hard has it been as an artist to be getting your music out there post-COVID?
To me personally, I think COVID was a good time for us. It allowed us to focus on our music, on our craft.
Get writing.
Get into writing, get into studio, and try and create more music for all our listeners and our audiences. So I don't think it was necessarily a bad thing.
We can see a bit of you guys performing there, Brother AJ as well.
Yeah.
Tell us, we can see you guys there on stage, but this week has been phenomenal, hasn't it, for Pasifika artist Ian Tongi taking out American Idol. What did that mean for you when you saw him winning that?
I think it's great. I think, good on the Toko for winning. He's created a platform for all our people, and for him winning on such a major platform, it's great. I think it's awesome.
Why do you think he won?
Well, he's talented.
Yes, of course.
And he, just like every musician, every artist, they have a story to tell, and his story obviously, it touched a lot of people's hearts. And
it's that ability to touch people's hearts, right?
Exactly, and that's what music's all about. It's about, connecting with your audiences. Whether you're trying to tell a story to your audience, to your listeners, then he had a story to tell, and I think it was amazing.
I've got so much to talk about. We can't even go everywhere, but Samoa Language Week next week.
Yes, it is.
And being proud of your ngangana Samoa. Is there something that you would like to say to our audiences, whether it's musicians or young people, in keeping the language alive?
I think, if anything, if I was to say something, it's tautua nai tatou whanau le ngangana Samoa, which means I strongly encourage our younger generation to stay tapped into our culture, be proud of who you are, and don't forget your language, don't forget your roots and where you come from. So I think that's very important.
Whawhatai lava. Gabriel, thank you for coming on the show. We appreciate it.
Thank you so much for having me.
Our pleasure. Look out for Ozkey's single as well. June the 2nd, it's going to be dropping on all platforms. Whawhatai lava.
Thank you.